Here's a pair of AirPod Max. I'm going to show you how to connect or pair this directly to your Hisense TV via Bluetooth. First thing is we want to go to the settings on your Hisense TV. You can click on the home button on your remote. And then we want to go to the settings icon, top right hand side, so you can just move up and then move to the right, all the way over to the settings right there. Click on OK on the remote. Now we want to go down to remote and accessories at the very bottom right there. Click on OK. And now we're going to go ahead and before we click on add accessory, you can see I have other devices that's paired on there, my phone and my other headphones. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and pair these. Okay, so first thing we got to do with the AirPod Max is put this in pairing mode. Okay, before we click on add accessory. So you have the this button right here. So what we want to do is this button right here, not the dial, the button. We want to press and hold. Okay, press and hold it. Just keep holding until the white, you see a white blinking light. Okay, there's a white blinking light right there. Now it's in pairing mode. You can see it blinking. So I'm going to go to add accessory right over here. And now let's see if it finds it. It's still in pairing mode. Oh, there it is right there, AirPod Max. So now I'm going to highlight that, click on OK. And go ahead and let it pair. If you guys aren't able to pair or get the white blinking light, then look at the link below. I'll show you how to restart as well as how to factory reset these. Okay, I get a pairing request here. I'm going to go ahead and tap on pair right there, and now it's paired. Okay, now I can go ahead and watch Netflix or YouTube or whatnot with the audio coming out of here. Now also, when you connect these, if you want to increase or decrease the volume, you can use the dial button, increase or decrease the volume. You can press it to pause the video, press it to resume, and you have your noise canceling button here. You can press that to go noise cancellation or press it again to go into transparency mode. All right, pretty simple. Good luck, guys.